Meaning of helix.
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 Helix. The term helix refers to a three-dimensional shape resembling a coiled spring or a spiral staircase. This shape is commonly found in nature, from the double helix structure of DNA to the spiral pattern of seashells. Helices are also often used in engineering and design, as they provide structural strength and stability. The word helix comes from the Greek word helix, which means spiral. In summary, a helix is a spiral-shaped structure that occurs naturally in many contexts and has practical applications in various fields.